Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 707 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, CoinSmart has begun trading its common shares on the NEO exchange. Argo blockchain has reported record-setting Q3 financial results, and LNK Global has acquired clean carbon equity. But just before we get into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, the Cannabis podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so crypto asset trading platform CoinSmart Financial Inc. has announced that its common shares will commence trading today on the NEO exchange under the ticker symbol SMRT. According to the press release, CoinSmart has demonstrated robust growth with a user base of 121,859 clients and year-to-date revenues of $7.3 million Canadian, already doubling 2020's total revenue of $3.6 million. Justin Hartzman, the company's CEO, said, quote, "This is an exciting day for CoinSmart and for the broader digital asset industry in Canada. We have been on a mission to provide Canadians with the easiest, accessible platform to buy and sell digital assets in Canada and have been ecstatic at the 99% satisfaction rate from our over 120,000 users. Our listing is a pivotal moment for CoinSmart as we look to further accelerate our growth in Canada's digital asset market and continue to expand our operations into new jurisdictions in the future. CoinSmart will continue its regulatory-first approach as we continue to work hand-in-hand with our regulatory partners around the world." End quote. Argo blockchain, which trades on the Nasdaq as ARBK, has reported its financial results for the quarter ended September 30th, 2021. Highlights include the generation of record-setting revenue, net income, and EBITDA of $26 million, $17.3 million, and $28.2 million, respectively, for the quarter. The company's CEO, Peter Wall, said, quote, "From breaking ground on our sustainable cryptocurrency mining facility in Dickens County, Texas, to our public listing on NasDaq in the United States, this quarter has been pivotal as Argo continues to scale. I am proud of the growth we experienced during the quarter and believe Argo is strategically positioned to continue this momentum as we build out our Helios facility in Texas." End quote. LNK Global Technologies, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker LNK, has completed the acquisition of Clean Carbon Equity, or CCE, which is a trader of verified emission reduction credits in the voluntary carbon offset market. LNK's CEO, Stephen Jenkins, commented, quote, "This business model creates another revenue source apart from the digital currency mining by creating verifiable offsets that we can market and monetize. We are fortunate to bring on great partners and welcome this opportunity to grow together." End quote. Chad Clovis, the CEO of Clean Carbon Equity, said, quote, "We are excited to be joining the LNK Global family. We will now have the ability to support existing and new clients in what is going to be a boom time in the carbon credit sector. The timing really couldn't be any better to grow and expand the offset program to all industries, and with plans to develop new products such as carbon-neutral NFTs and indigenous certified carbon credit registries." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.